Today on Design University, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit trendy gaming videos inside of Final Cut Pro X. This video is going to help you nail down the basics so you can start editing gaming videos today. Sounds good? Then let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's edit. So first of all, to make any new project inside of Final Cut Pro X, go to the top bar, click File, New, and then Library. Name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Gaming Video, just like that. Save it to wherever you want, and then click Save. After that, click File, New, Project. Name it whatever you want. I like naming it the same thing as my library so I don't get confused. And if you want a vertical video, click here and go to vertical. But we're just going to be leaving everything like that. Make the frame rate to whatever you want and then click OK. Now drag and drop in your screen clip. This is a screen recording from the Roblox game Pet Simulator X. To scale a clip up, go to the scale property right here and simply drag this up. And also to change the volume, go up to this menu and you can change it around here. A good volume is around 8 decibels, but I'm just going to be lowering it all the way down since it's audio. I'm not talking in it. So anyways, you want to cut out parts where there's not that much action since you want to keep your audience engaged in it. So let's just cut right here. Then right here where I'm moving, make another cut. You want to make it as fast and snappy as possible. So again, wait about half a second after. Move to another exciting part, cut inside again. So just like that. There's really not that much to teach here. Just make fast and snappy cuts. Another thing that you might want to add that's really cool is zoom-ins. Zoom-ins make gaming videos funny a lot of the times, or just if you want to point something out. So let's just say I want to point out this little animal in this vending machine. Just make a cut to wherever you want. Let's just say something happens right here, make 2 cuts like that. Go to it, go to this first menu, and then scale it up. And then using the position properties, you can just resize it or reposition it. And you can see that it's zoomed in right there. Or if something, let's just say, is awkward while you're talking, you can just zoom out like that. So let's just say you want to slowly start zooming in right there. Click this drop down menu, crop, can burns, and then right here, drag this red one to wherever you want it to zoom into. So let's just say right there. It's zooming in right there, which is really cool. Another thing that you might want to add is some text. Let's just add some text right here by clicking Ctrl T. Click these lines right here and put whatever you want. I'm just going to be putting check this out. Change the font, and you can change the color by going to face, or you can add an outline. Next, put it down towards the bottom of the screen. Now this is the animation part to make it pop. To do this, it's going to require a few keyframes, but don't worry, it's actually pretty easy. And if you're having trouble with keyframes or you don't know how to use them, make sure to check out this video on my channel where I go over the basics of them. And I will also cover keyframes specifically in a future video, so make sure to be subscribed for that. Anyways, on the beginning of your text layer, click the scale keyframe, move 2 spaces outward, change it to about 170, 2 more spaces, and then change it to somewhere around 150. Now check this out. You can see that it has a nice bounce, and if you click Ctrl V, you can move around the keyframes if it's too fast or too slow. Something that you might want to do to save tons of time is click Save Effects Preset, name it to whatever you want. I don't know why my presets are still called Emerald Editing. My channel's called Design University now, but anyways, you can see that it saves the position and the scale keyframes. You can just click Save and then go to this panel right here and then just drag on that preset. But let me show you something. So let's just say you want to apply it to a new one. If you start a new project, drag it on. You can see that it does it, but very slow. To fix this, again, click Ctrl V and drag these keyframes almost touching, but not quite. So you can see that we have that nice fast bounce again. You might be thinking, do I really have to do this over and over again? Just position it to how long the word is. So let's just say like that. Click Option and then drag right. Now all you have to do is change this text to whatever else they're saying. So now you can see just like that. Check this out, it's really cool. And the next thing you might want to add to your gaming videos is effects. So let's just say someone gets mad and you want to add that cool little effect that you might see. Cut the clip to only that part. Go to the color menu, go to the color tab and make it red. And then on the effects panel, search up earthquake. It added that mad shaking effect, so like what's going on? Another thing that you might see that's pretty funny actually if you add is a fisheye effect. So again, in the effects panel, search fisheye, and you can see that it makes my character's head look really big. So you can just drag this around and position it. Okay, so just like that, it made it a lot better. Again, just keep playing around with this. Here are some of the effects that I like using for gaming videos. And now here are some of the transitions that I like using for gaming videos. So let's just say you're happy and you're done with your amazing gaming video. Click this button up here, export file default. I'm sure there's another way, but this way's been working for me for years. And then just click next and then save. So that's going to be the video for today. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. If you did, I would appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe with the notification bell on so you can be the very first one to watch my new videos come out every single week. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.